Welcome back to Glam Tones. I'm Gigi, and this is Liam. He's my 3-year-old grandson. He was over when I started this set, so I set him up with some just regular nail polish and let him play around a little bit. And look, he's doing such a good job, you guys. He's such a good boy. So let's get back to what I'm doing. Excuse me. We are going to do a long and short set. We're going to do the shorter set in that pretty cream color, and we are working with this sort of gray lavender color on the long ones. And here we go. We're going to do a little halo. I've done better halos. I'm not sure. I think maybe I was a little tired. I don't know. Anyway, I think they came out super cute, but I need to practice my halos, I think. A little bit. This brush also really holds a ton of product. It's actually a makeup brush, but I pulled it out of the kit and designated it for nails just for this specific purpose, and, you know, for other things as well. That was just went a little further than I wanted, so I wanted to clean up that one little area, and there we go. So we're going to do that across all 5 of the nails, of course, and we're going to do the same thing on the purpley nails, but a little bit different. A tiny bit different. You'll see in just a second. So I saw somebody do this, a similar set to this, but they did it a tiny bit different than I did. Oops, that's my blooper for this time. Actually, there was another blooper, but I didn't catch it on camera, and it was just a little glitter that got out of the package. But there you go. I wanted to leave that in, though, so you could see how I just slipped my hand underneath the paper towel and saved most of the product, right? That's not very much. And as you can see, we're going to use it. So it all works out in the end. So we're going to do halos on these as well, but we're gonna do multiple halos. I wish on this one I had done the placement a tiny bit different. In the end, the set is gorgeous, and I'm not upset about how it turned out. But, you know, I don't know about you guys, but every time I do a set, there's always this tiny bit of me that's like, but if I had done this. So I think it's time to do some recreations. This channel's been around a while, so maybe it's time to do some recreations. Speaking of the channel, guys, we're getting closer and closer to the 500 mark. Excuse me, I just had a little moment there. Really, we're over 450 now. We're really coming in quick on the 500. The subscriber count goes up quicker all the time, so don't forget. I know I've mentioned this a couple times, but it bears repeating. On this one, we're going to do 3. I wanted to show you on this one we're doing 3, and that is the middle finger and the thumb are both going to get 3. About 90% of the people who come into the channel are not subscribers. So be sure to hit that button. Ring that bell so you don't miss any of the cool art we're doing here. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's more involved. I had a little injury on one of my fingers, and I could not put nails on it because of that. And I don't want to say an injury, it was just a little split in my finger. My doctor, I have Hashimoto's. It's a hypothyroidy thing where your immune system attacks your thyroid, and so it doesn't produce as much hormone as it should, and my doctor was trying to adjust my levels. Pause on that for just a second. When you are coming over pigment, as you can see, I'm going really juicy, and I'm trying not to drag my brush through the color. Just let the base coat itself do the work, because otherwise you get drag marks, and I did not want that look. And so make sure you're juicy with those base coats on top of pigments, because they will move. They will. So again, before we get back to my thyroid thing, we're coming in. I did a little tiny sort of cross. Here we go. Let's do it again. And I just like the little crossbar, but I'm not really mean it to be like Christian or anything. Just a tiny little detail right? And then I'm coming in with a dot, and what happens when you put that glitter on there and press it in, it raises around the outside of the glitter and almost makes it look like a setting. And what we're going to do now is come in with some builder gel, and this one is Saviland, as you see, and I am just going to dot it on there and allow it to dome up, and it's going to give it almost a cabochon sort of a look. The glitters aren't round, they're actually like hexies or whatever, but it gives it that look anyway, because the way that the gold rounds out real pretty, it still ends up looking like a cabochon. And a cabochon is just a gemstone that instead of having facets, I'm cleaning up my mess there, instead of having facets, it's round on top and just flat on the bottom. So it's kind of an old world sort of style of gem. And when I saw the other set that somebody else did, it reminded me of that. They didn't use glitter though, but I love the shine of glitter because it does give it that feeling of gemstones. There you go. So anyway, back to my thyroid story. My skin got super, super dry because he was messing with my numbers. So I called him, said we're going back to a different number because this is too much for me. It caused my eczema to get really bad, and that's why I got a split on my finger right by my nail, so I couldn't wear nails, and I'm about to do my nails, so I'm so excited. The hand that I do have done, my right hand, they need fills already. It's been so long. So now when you do the top coat on these, make sure you see how I'm sort of squeegeeing it down a little so that it doesn't pool up between your little gems that you made. And you could do this kind of a thing as, I'm going to do this look, but use them as like regular gems, right? They are so cute. I love this set, both of these sets so much. I can't wait for you to see the reveal shots. I think they came out really good. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Would you wear these? Do you like the longer set or the shorter set or both? I think you could get away with either one depending on what's going on in your life at that moment. Guys, thank you so much for coming by today and watching this video and for hanging out with me and my grandson. We are going to see you in the next video. Be sure to say something to Liam in the comment section below. Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.